Hi guys, Organized Mom here, and I wanted to welcome you guys to Organizing February. In this video, I wanted to show you the new home edit products from Walmart. I'm hoping this video will help motivate you guys to get organized in this month of February. This here is the Pantry Set. In the set includes the riser, which would be great for a bathroom on top of the counter to display your items. This is the multi-purpose 8-piece set. I like this size container for candles and wax melts and stuff like that for in a cup. This is the 10-piece bathroom set. This would be great for in a bathroom drawer for toothbrushes, deodorant, hair accessories, contacts, and stuff like that. And this is the 5-piece laundry set. I like these containers, the way that they are open and easy to reach stuff in. This would be great for in a cupboard. The Lazy Susan would be great in your spice cupboard for your spices. I like these containers for tea candles inside a cupboard. I think this container would be perfect for batteries. Just make sure if you put batteries in here, you place them upright so they don't drain. If you're wondering how much the home edit products cost, they are roughly under $25. It's a small investment, but nothing that'll break the bank. If you do get any of these sets, I would love to see what you do with them. Make sure you send me those photos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.